My wire is traversing in the main artery now. Okay, I have crossed the lesion. It is going in the other branch, so I am coming back, and now I am in the mainstream, going deep down, so my wire position is secured properly. I think this looks good.
That was an amazing wiring job. They just
balloon गाइड कैथेटर से बाहर आके आर्टरी के अंदर जा रहा है. मैं धीरे धीरे स्ट्रोक बाय स्ट्रोक अंदर जा रहा हूँ. इंटरनेट 100 Mbps की स्पीड है. That is one of the key factors, and this is the myro band which is being used for this purpose. Yeah, the balloon is across the block. So we will inflate the balloon to dilate this block. I am removing the balloon using the turbo. It comes out very quickly. Okay. So just remove the balloon and deploy stand. We have chosen Science Expedition. Yeah, it looks very nice. We have created an excellent bed for the stand to be deployed.
there was a very nice demonstration of the
blood
balloon
pressure
and
is
wire.
fine. The heart rate is fine. The patient is extremely comfortable. Perfect. You can understand one thing, that I am sitting 32 kilometers away from the patient and the institute, and giving command through the internet bandwidth. I am able to traverse my wire, my catheter, everything so smoothly. So this is a groundbreaking technology, and this is going to actually change the scenario and completely facelift the interventional practice down the line in few years' time. Corindus, Corpath. Corindus is the company who has developed this robo and this distant stenting technology, and they are to be congratulated in a big way, because this is going to change the whole practice scenario.
This is a very historic moment where for the first time remote PCI is being performed.
Everything loaded, enable off. I am giving command here. Perfect. And now I am using the knob to push my stand in.